Welcome to the Travel Tour and Dine YouTube channel, your ultimate guide to the best travel experiences and dining recommendations from around the world. Today, we're venturing into the idyllic British Virgin Islands. Nestled in the Caribbean, this archipelago is a paradise of crystal clear waters, pristine beaches, and vibrant marine life. We'll be sharing the top 5 thrilling activities you can indulge in this tropical haven. And remember, a perfect day isn't complete without great food, so fasten your seatbelts as we set sail for our first thrilling destination. Our first stop, destination number 5, is the Rhone National Marine Park. Imagine slipping into the azure waters to explore the haunting beauty of a shipwreck, with colorful marine life as your companions. It's an underwater extravaganza that'll take your breath away. After surfacing, cap the adventure with a meal at a nearby seafood restaurant, where the catch of the day is served fresh and flavorful. With your heart still pounding from the underwater extravaganza, let's move on to our next thrilling destination. Next up, at number 4, we have the Gorda Peak National Park. Imagine a thrilling hike where every step takes you higher above the crystal blue Caribbean waters. The journey to the park's peak is an adventure in itself, but what awaits you at the top is truly unforgettable. Panoramic views stretching as far as the eye can see. And what's an adventure without good food? A hilltop cafe here offers a unique dining experience, adding a delightful gastronomic twist to your adventure. Leaving behind the breathtaking views, we are now heading to our next thrilling stop. Moving along to destination number 3, we have the fascinating North Sound. Imagine skimming across turquoise waters, the sails of your boat filled with the gentle Caribbean breeze. This is sailing in the North Sound, a truly unforgettable experience. The surrounding scenery is breathtaking, with lush green islands dotting the horizon. And when hunger strikes, there's a floating bar and restaurant serving the freshest seafood. With the wind in our hair and the taste of the sea on our lips, it's time to head to our next thrilling activity. At number 2, we bring you the ultimate Caribbean experience at the BVI Full Moon Party. Imagine a thrilling night where the beats of music fuse with the rhythm of the ocean. Dance under the starlit sky, witness mesmerizing fire shows, and indulge in beach fun. And let's not forget the diverse food stalls. From spicy jerk chicken to fresh seafood, the flavors of local and international cuisines are at your fingertips. As the party winds down and the moon dips low, we are now heading to our ultimate thrilling destination. Finally, at number 1, we present to you the ultimate thrill of the British Virgin Islands, the baths. Picture a labyrinth of granite boulders, forming hidden caves and clear water pools. Imagine the rush of exploring these unique geological formations. But what's exploration without delectable dining? At a beachside eatery, fresh seafood awaits to tantalize your taste buds. As we wrap up this thrilling journey, we kindly request you to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support enables us to continue bringing you incredible travel content.